Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram password even if you don't remember your current password. Just follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now tap on Account Center. Next, tap Password and Security. Then tap Change Password. Choose the Instagram account whose password you want to change. Here, you'll see a field for your current password and a field to create a new password. If you don't remember your current password, don't worry. Go back to your phone's home screen and open Google Chrome. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now tap Google Password Manager. Next, tap the Passwords option at the top. Scroll down and find Instagram. Select your Instagram account, then view and copy your saved password. Now go back to the Instagram app and paste the copied password into the current password field. After that, create your new password, confirm it if required, and then tap Change Password. That's it. Your Instagram password has now been changed successfully, even if you didn't remember your current password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.